Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a limited color palette challenge, and I'll be painting these two landscapes here, so keep on watching to see how they were made. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go over the colors that we're gonna use with something I like to call the palette plan. For the landscape on the left, I'll only be using warm colors: red, orange, yellow, and a warm purple. And on the right side, I'll only be using cool colors. For this landscape, I'll only use blue, and yeah, basically just blue, and a cool purple. I will also be using white to mix into all the colors in both paintings. Let's begin, shall we? I've already taped down the edges of my paper, and I put a piece in the middle to separate the two landscapes from one another. And I spent about 5 to 10 minutes penciling in my sketch. For this limited color palette challenge, wow, that's hard to say, but for this limited color palette challenge, I'll be using gouache. So I'll let the video roll now for you guys to see my process, and I'll catch you guys at the end. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. So these two landscapes are complete and I had so much fun painting them. If you're looking for a way to challenge yourself, I definitely recommend you try a limited color palette. It really forces you to think about how to use each color. I'll have more of these videos coming for you guys soon, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, I'll be listing all of the materials in the description below. I want to know, which one of these did you guys like most? The warm landscape or the cool landscape? So be sure to vote in the comments below. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!